Hello there, this is gbpusd, and I would like to follow up on the gravity and pound analysis we've made quite some time, I think actually last week, as a new week started and the pair is already at the 1.50 level. And I was pointing out last time that the fact that this trend line of a possible triangle, it is being broken and retested, shows nothing but more weakness to come, and I was favoring put options with end of day expiration date on that day and beautifully expired in the money. Now, what to look for next? Well, I'm still favoring put options, but I would like to show you a bit, or to go on this, to zoom in on here and to try to identify a possible pattern, or what is the pattern that is forming here. Now, if you go and look at this formation here, I would say it's nothing but a contracting triangle. This contracting triangle that comes from the upside here, so we have a move to the downside here, and then it is forming A, B, takes the lows here, so A, B, C, D, E, and then it should break the B2D trend line. Now, the whole triangle here, because the lows here are being broken, so these lows here are being broken, this triangle is called an irregular horizontal triangle, and irregular horizontal triangles look for B2D trend line, of course, to be broken. What I'm trying to say is that by the time this one goes away, which is not yet, let me try to make it a bit bigger and even to change the color of it. So by the time this one is being broken, it's supposed to be broken to the downside. There is no way back for the gravity and pound US dollar, and ideally we should see a pronounced move to the downside well below the 1.50 level. So as long as this retest here held, and this is the triangle now in our case, then all we have to do, or all we have to look for, is to stay on the short side if you are trading the regular spot market, or to actually buy put options with, I would go with end of week expiration date. End of week expiration date means that on Friday, by the time the equity markets in US are going to close, or the GMT time, and after the non-farm payrolls, of course, it means that on Friday we should look for lower values than the 1.50 on the gravity and pound US dollar. It is still too early to tell, it is still only Monday, but definitely will be in there. So let's write here that I'm favoring or buying put options with end of week expiration date for the gravity and pound US dollar, which is just at the brink of breaking the 1.50 level. Thank you very much for being here. This is gbpusd. Make sure that you are watching our analysis on the website and check the Binary Options Academy as well. Thank you and bye-bye.